Healthcare law. What can I say about the healthcare law? Wow. It's the healthcare law. Guess what? It's not a bill. It's the law. I hear all these representatives, these Republican candidates saying, hey, it's, we're going to repeal that healthcare bill. No. It's a healthcare law. And exactly what do they want to repeal it with? Once they repeal it with, they fought tooth and nail to prevent it from being passed. What do they want to repeal it with? What do they want to replace it with once they repeal it? They want to replace it with the same exact thing that's already in there. Hold up. You want to take something, get rid of it, then replace it with the same thing? You know something? That's the same thing they used to do in New York City. The transportation department would put a street down, then tear it back up, then put it back down. Why? Waste of money. And they say they learned something. They just telling you right now, they ain't learned nothing. Because they want to repeal the law. A law, not a bill, mind you. A bill, they just go in there, they squash it. They just go in there, they squash it. If it was a bill, they would be able to squash it right now. Because they have 41, even though they're minority, they have enough to block it and filibuster it. If they wanted to kill it, if it was a bill, but it's a law. So they can't kill it like that. So you're being deceived. And they told you that they learned their lesson. They ain't learned their lesson because they're still deceiving you. They're lying to you. And that's just, I want to make that a clear point. America, if you want healthcare to work, guess what? We don't repeal it. We fix that, which is assumed to be broken. We can all agree on that.